All right, for pressure washing, we have our gloves, our safety glasses, and our shop coat. And we're going to turn on the pressure washer over here. And there we go. All right. So with the pressure washer, you're gonna hold it. Is it filming me?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold it here and hold it here. And you're gonna take your screen. This one's already been started but not finished. Am I still in it?
Yeah.
And you're gonna use stencil remover. Stencil remover.
Is this gonna be edited?
Maybe. I don't know. Depends on what time we have. So most of the screens have tape on it, and you can try to take the tape off, but if it's hard to get off, you can get it off when you're pressure washing. And then make sure we throw it away so it doesn't clog the sink. So squirt the stencil remover on both sides of the screen. And then pressure wash. I just want to move it a little closer. See what's happening here. There we go. If it's hard to get off, you can add more stencil remover, because that really is what gets the stencil off. Flip sides as well. We want to get all the tape off and make sure that we can see through the screen. So any areas that are purple, it's okay if there's an image left over from a different one, but you need to make sure all the emulsion is out. Alright, so we're almost there. Getting clean. Alright, so then I can hold the screen up and look and see, like, there's a few fuzzy areas where it looks like there's still emulsion in it. So I want to get those out. Otherwise, if I have image there and I can't see through it, ink isn't going to go through it. When I'm holding the pressure washer, I want to make sure that it's about an inch away. You don't want it so close that it gives a hole, but you don't want it so far away that it's not working. So I'm going to put some more stencil remover in kind of this middle area where there's still some stencil. Alright, and so now I've just got a little area here and there I think I'll work on, but most of that area is clear now. And now we have a screen that is ready to dry and put emulsion on it. All right, we can close or turn that off. I think hit that silver button.
Where's it?
That little one. There you go.